Tired of your phone screen staying on all the time? In this quick guide, I'll show you disable always on display on your Android device. Just follow this method step by step easily. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone. Then find the settings app on your home screen or app to tap to open there. After open the settings page, scroll down slowly. Look for the lock screen and UD or buried device may be similar option. Tap to open them. After that, look for the always on display option. Tap on it. Right now this option is turned on. You can easily turn it off. To do that, tap on the main toggle button and turn it off. And that's it. You can easily turn off always on display on your phone. I hope this tutorial made things easier. If it helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tips. I will see you in the next video.